Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and I post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and please share because I'm headed, for those of you who are new, probably don't know, but I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And it doesn't cost you anything, and you'll know every time I upload a new video. All right, so today I'm sharing this little treat box. It's so cute. I put a lot of detail on it, but I thought it was really, really cute. I wanted to add some pine needles, and I added this little ornament, and I wanted a bit of glitter, so I used my little glitter ribbon here, and then some baker's twine on here as well. But it was really fun to decorate it. Inside this are 6 mini Ghirardelli. I'll show you when I get there what you can fit in there, because I'm pretty sure you can fit anything like Hershey's Kisses, and Ghirardelli comes out with like the little snowmen and stuff every year. And you could probably fit the Hershey's miniatures in here as well. But there's a lot that you can fit into it because it's pretty long. It is 5.5 inches long, or it's about 5 1/4, the box itself, and it's 1 inch tall. So it's a really nice size, and it's not traditional colors, but I've been really into the Grinch this year, and these colors just remind me of the Grinch. So we actually have a tree that we put up last year that was Grinch, and we have that in our bedroom. But I have 3 trees up, plus the one in my bedroom. So we wanted to do him Grinch because he's just so darn cute, and I love the movie. So this is what reminded me of that. But this sentiment on here is super adorable. This is going to be available November 1st to customers. We got to pre-order it. So for those of you who would like to pre-order things and get things ahead of time, you can join my team, because right now there's a special going on, and you get $155 worth of product of your choice for $99 plus any business. If you want to do it as a business, you don't have to. You can do it just as a hobby for the discount. But it's usually $125, and now it's $155, and it's only till the end of October. So you have to do it quickly, and you can do that on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com if you're interested. All right, so I'm going to introduce to you this new suite that's coming out for November 1st, and it's just so pretty, and that is part of it, that fa la la. So this is the one that I used, the framed and festive, and this is the fa la la that I used. But look at these sentiments. If you saw my shaker card the other day, you can use these because they're pretty good size. The other stamp set, this is the suite, by the way, and I'm pretty sure it's called Fitting Florals Suite. So this is the framed florets. So this is what comes in the other one if you get the whole suite. But like I said, you can get them individually. You can get this stamp set or this. And then the dies are gorgeous. That's why I got the whole suite, because I just love this. And I'm super excited that we have some ovals coming back. But look at this. This is all hearts around it. This one is just like a ribbed kind of around it. It kind of reminds me of a sweater ribbing. And then it cuts out, of course, the flowers and all that. And then look at this frame. Isn't that gorgeous? I cannot wait to use this. I'll probably do something before using the frames, at least. We'll see if I have time, because there's so much I have on my plate for this Christmas. And then this also comes with the sweets, and they're so pretty. These are gorgeous. They're called the Gold Adhesive Back Swirls. And then the designer series paper is this one here, and this is called Fitting Florets. I'm going to show you this too, because I just got all this, so I really wanted to share it with you before it comes out. But look at this, y'all. Oh my gosh. You know I'm using this gingham. Look how cute that looks together too. And then there's this. Look at how beautiful this paper is. I absolutely love this. So if you want to grab it, you might want to grab it pretty quick. And then this one you can use even for Christmas and color these red. I think that'd be really pretty too. So isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This whole suite is really beautiful. These are all going to also be in our new catalog that comes out in January, but you can get it ahead of time. So I love that. All right, the other things that we're using for this is the decorated pines. You know how I love these dies. So I am using one of the ornaments, and that's for the ornament on there. And then I am also using the pine, the big pine needle like you've seen me use before. If you've been around, you know I've used that. And then for the tag, I'm using the tailor-made tags. I love all these. These are some of all my favorite. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to cut out, and I'll go ahead and cut these all out. This is the smaller tag from the tailor-made tags. That's going to be in real red. And then I'm going to cut out the larger one that fits with this in basic white. And then I'm going to cut a basic white pine needle out of that. We're going to use Evening Evergreen and cut out the large pine that we'll use. And then I'm going to use this ornament this time just to change things up a bit. And that one is going to be out of our gold foil paper. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will be right back with all of that. Okay, so we have our little white pine needle, and this is our big one. I love this one. I actually got these just for this because I loved how pretty this pine was. It just looks so real to me. There's a lot of little bits in here. So try to get these all out. We're pretty much just using this top part, so I'm not going to worry about the rest. And then we have our little ornament there. Aren't these cute? And then the larger tailor-made tag, and then the smaller. All right, the first thing that I'm going to do with this is we're going to stamp this, and we are embossing it. So I'm going to stamp this in Versamark, and it's the Fa La La. I just love this. I'm so happy this came out before the holidays ended. And then we're going to grab our white emboss. And there's our Fa La La. And we need to heat emboss it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so we have it ready. Do you ever get tired of watching that emboss? I never do. All right, so everything is ready. So I'm going to scoot this all out of the way, and we'll begin our box. The box is super easy, y'all. I've made this kind of box for quite a long time, and I've made different shapes, different sizes. So this is the first long one that I think I've ever done. I'll link a couple of them in the description. So you need one piece here that is 4.5 by 5.5. We are going to score this first. And you're going to score it on the 4.5 inch side only. And you're going to score it at 1 3/4 and 2 3/4. So that's our top piece. Now the box piece is 7 by 3.5, and on the 7-inch side you're going to score it at 1 and 6. And then you're going to turn it, and you're going to score it on the 3.5-inch side at 1 and 2.5. Don't worry about these measurements. They're all in the inspiration sheet on my blog, and you can copy, download it, and print it. All right, so now we're going to just cut this. This is the bottom piece. The top one we don't have to cut. So I'm just cutting it in here. I love these colors though together. The red and the parakeet party is what this one is. And then we are going to sharpen all these score marks. And I'm going to use my Stampin' Seal Plus on these, and I'll put it on all your glue tabs here. glued those two down to each other. Alright, so we're going to put this up here. Sometimes I get carried away with my adhesive. And then we're going to do these other two. This time I'm not going to make that mistake. And then we're going to put these inside here. Make sure you line it up really nice. Alright, so there's the bottom of our box. Now I'm going to show you how the Ghirardellis, these are the mini ones, and they always come out with Christmas ones. They always have regular ones, but they fit in here perfectly. And you can fit 3 on each side, so it'll fit 6. Alright, and then we are going to take this piece and we are going to sharpen these. This is one of the easiest boxes, y'all, that I think that I make. I'm going to round the corners on this one because I just like these corners rounded on this. You can do you however you like it. Alright, now all we have to do is attach this to here. And I'm going to use, again, Stampin' Seal Plus. Use Tear and Tape or Stampin' Seal Plus on here. And then you just want to set this. Don't set it over the score line. Make sure you just set it up to the score line. Make sure it's even before you set it down, because once it's set down, that Tear and Tape will grab a hold and you will be done. So that's how it looks, just like that. Alright, I'm going to grab my red and white baker's twine. I'll link this in the description. I get this off of Amazon. This one's one of my favorite ones. I've tried a couple others, and this is really nice quality. So I really like this one. And we are going to just run it around about 3 times and tie a bow. Alright, so we have that ready to go. And we are going to grab our tags. Oh, I didn't put my tag on the baker's twine. Alright, so I'm going to grab these two. Line up your holes on here because we're layering these on here. And just going to put that on here and then tie our bow. I leave it a pretty big size bow here. I like the bow on here. I'm going to move this, scoot this down just a hair. Alright. And then we're going to put on our pine here. And I'm just going to use this top part. I'm going to use wet glue for this. And we're going to just attach this all to the box so that once you untie this, then everything else is attached there to the box. Alright, so we're going to put that on right there. I am going to grab, this is the Parakeet Party, and it's the ribbon that goes with it, and we are going to put this on. I'm just going to tie this on here, and I'm just going to tie a knot. I just wanted a little bit of this glittery ribbon. It needs it because it's the holidays and we all need to have some glitter in our lives. Alright, so I'm just tying that on there like that. And we are going to attach this right here onto it. I'm going to just use a glue dot for that. Put that there. And then I'm going to just use a little bit of wet glue for this one. Need to get that little piece off there. I'm going to clip this right here, shorter. And I'm just going to put that right there. And if you want to glue these, you can glue them down. I didn't glue them down. I didn't think it was necessary to glue them down. And then that is it, y'all. They're so easy to do, but I guarantee you, you can fit like Hershey's Kisses in here, miniatures. You can fit a lot of things in this box. It's really, really cute. And this is a fun one for like coworkers, even for stocking stuffers. I think it'd be really cute. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, they'll all be listed on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. There's my October host code. And I hope you enjoy it. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.